The world is changing. Climate change and the scarcity of resources demand innovative solutions. Trucks play a significant role in this as they cause around 10% of global CO2 emissions. Evonik has succeeded in developing green tire technology for the truck sector. Thanks to the new Silica-Silan formulation, wet grip is significantly improved and rolling resistance is reduced up to 20%. This means considerable fuel savings, a much longer range, and thus a significant reduction in CO2 emissions. In the Evonik Research Laboratory, our team of scientists and application engineers developed the solution for the green truck tire over several years of intensive research. Unfortunately, the current product systems for passenger car tires lead to significantly poorer abrasion in truck tires. That's why we at Evonik initiated a project to develop a Silica-Silan system that significantly reduces rolling resistance and thus fuel consumption without sacrificing abrasion resistance. Our system of highly dispersible, high surface area silica and silane combined in the right mixing ratio achieves exactly the desired properties. To ensure that the tires meet the strictest standards, the team of experts used small test samples to closely examine the physical and rubber properties of the new compound. The test compounds are extruded onto the prepared truck carcasses. The finished green truck tire is produced in a mold by vulcanization. And finally, the retreaded tire is put through its paces in the test laboratory. An idea has become reality, and it's ready for use. This is how Evonik contributes to the sustainable use of our resources.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.